Is it true or fake? Is it right or wrong? I won't hesitate to get back up after falling down.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I have a new makeup tutorial, and the first thing I always do is apply some face cream, and then I always apply some primer, and the one I'm using today is the Toofaced Hangover Primer, which is my absolute favorite at this moment. I have been using this non-stop for the last couple of weeks, and I just really like how it makes my foundation look. It makes it look really fresh and dewy. Then I'm going to use the Nars Cosmetics Radiant Longwear Foundation, my current favorite foundation. Even though I have oily skin and this is like a dewy foundation, I feel like it makes my skin look so much better instead of when I wear like a very full coverage dry foundation. It makes my skin look more alive, if that makes sense. So I'm blending this in using my beauty blender. Then for my concealer, I'm using this Tarte Cosmetics Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Light Medium. Applying this underneath my eyes, a little bit on my forehead and on my chin. And then once I have applied this, I'm going to blend this in using a damped beauty blender. I feel like using a beauty blender or just a damped sponge makes it blend into your foundation best. Then I'm going to use a darker shade using that same Shape Tape concealer, which is my absolute favorite concealer in the world, and applying a few dots on my forehead. I feel like normally I only use like powder to bronze my forehead, but I feel like using a creamy consistency product makes it more easier to blend it into my hairline. So that's why I'm doing this recently. And again, blending this in using my damped beauty blender. Then to set my concealer, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Powder Contour Kit. I'm mixing the shades Vanilla and Banana, and I'm using a F35 brush from Sigma, which I feel like is the perfect brush to use for like applying powder. And then to set my face, I'm using this Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Powder. I'm applying this all over my face to set my foundation. Now for my eyes, the first eyeshadow I'm going in with is called Peach Smoothie from Makeupgeek. This is a very light shade, so I'm going to use this as my transition shade. I'm blending this all over my crease, going back and forth using a Sigma E40 brush, which is included in my Sigma collaboration brush kit. I have a link in the description bar where you can purchase it. Then the next shade I'm going to use is this one from Makeupgeek as well, called Courageous. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right. Makeupgeek just recently launched new eyeshadows, and this is one of them. And I'm just blending that all over in my crease using that same Sigma E40 brush, and also trying to focus like in my outer V to get like a round effect. Then the next shade is also by Makeupgeek from that same new collection, and this one is called Dedicated. And with this one I'm trying to focus a little bit more in my outer V area, so I'm really trying to press there, and then with whatever is left on my brush I'm going to blend it a bit more upwards towards my crease, but I want this shade to be like for the most part in my outer V area. Then the next shade is also by Makeupgeek, and this one is called I'm Peachless, a very gorgeous shade. I don't really know how to describe it. It kind of looks golden, peachy, also kind of pink. It's really gorgeous, so I'm applying this in my inner corner area. Then for all over the eyelids, I'm going to use this eyeshadow, also from Makeupgeek, which is called Curtain Call. A very gorgeous burgundy purple kind of shade. And first I used a brush, but then I decided to use my finger. I felt like that was a bit easier to apply it. But yeah, of course, you can do whatever you want if you recreate this, just see what works best for you. Then I'm going to use a pigment from MAC Cosmetics, and this one is called Reflects Fairy Pink. So it's more like a glitter pigment. To apply this I use the MAC Mixing Medium, and I'm pressing this all over the eyelid using a MAC 242 brush, and this is so gorgeous. It's one of my favorite products from MAC because it's like a very subtle glitter. Then I'm going back in with the Makeupgeek Dedicated eyeshadow using my Sigma Flat Definer brush, which also comes in my brush kit in collaboration with Sigma Beauty. I have it linked down in the description bar. So I'm trying to press it like right underneath my lower lash line. And then I'm going back in with the shade Courageous from Makeupgeek and trying to blend it out. Kinda, yeah, blending these two shades together. And the brush that I'm using right now is a pencil brush from Morphe Brushes. Then I'm taking that shade I'm Peachless again and applying a little bit more of that in my inner corner area to make it more bright. Now I'm going in with the Sigma Line Ace liquid liner, which is just a simple liquid liner, and I just create a very thin line above my lash line because I am going to use fake lashes, and I feel like by applying a thin line of eyeliner it hides the lash band. And for my waterline I'm using a white eye pencil from MAC Cosmetics. Then it's time to curl my lashes. I'm using this lash curler from Tarte Cosmetics, but you can use any lash curler that you have at home. Now for my mascara I'm using this Tarte Lights Camera Lashes Mascara, my current favorite mascara. I really like how long it makes my bottom lashes. Now for my fake eyelashes I used my ANNYTUDE Puffy Lashes, which are my favorite go-to lashes. They're not too dramatic, I just feel like they are like perfect for my eyes. I will be doing a giveaway where a few people can win these lashes, so don't forget to add me on Instagram if you want to join. I will probably upload it today or tomorrow, so keep an eye out on my Instagram if you want to win these lashes. These are seriously my go-to lashes, and now you can see how they look on the eyes. And then we're going back to the face to finish off this makeup look. So I'm going to use this theBalm Cosmetics Take Home the Bronze bronzer in the shade Oskar, my current favorite bronzer. Not really bronzer, but I like to use it to like bronze my or contour my cheekbones and my jawline, and also apply a little bit underneath my lips. Then I'm going to use this MAC Mineralize Skin Finish Powder in the shade Medium Deep, and this is more the product I use to bronze my face. I'm just going to apply it all over my cheekbones and a little bit on my forehead. Then for the next step I'm using some blush, and I'm using this blush duo in the shade 18 and 19 from Natasha Denona. This is a very gorgeous soft pink blush, and I'm applying this on the apples of my cheeks. Now I'm going to use this new glow kit from Anastasia Beverly Hills, which is so freaking gorgeous. And I'm going to use the shade Unicorn. I'm going to apply this on the cheekbones. And then later, with whatever is left on my brush, I'm also going to softly apply a little bit on my forehead, on my nose and on my chin. Not too much because this shade has a very strong pink glow. And I don't want my whole face to be like covered in pink. But it's really cool because this look is like pink, so to like combine this with a pink highlighter, I think it gives a very cool effect. Then for my lips I'm going to use this lip pencil from Jouer in the shade Aubergine, and I'm going to overdraw my lips. I wanted to have a very bold lip for this look. Basically when I created this look I wanted to use a certain liquid lipstick, which I'm going to use right now, this Colourpop Ultra Matte Lip in the shade YOSHI. And I kind of try to use like eyeshadow shades that match with this. So this look is kind of inspired by this lip color because I just wanted to use it, and I think it's such a gorgeous unique color. It's like a pink shade, but also it looks kind of purple, really pretty. Now I'm going to use this Nars Cosmetics blush. I felt like something was missing, so I applied a little bit of this on my apples of my cheeks. And then here you have the end result. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know this look is very pink, so for some of you this might be too dramatic. If you like the eyes, you can of course also compare it with like a nude lipstick. I also like, after creating this look, I wiped away the lipstick and then I went for a nude, and I really liked how that looked as well. It was more of a softer version. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye guys!
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive.